Alrighty guys, we are here at the Waterman in Southend in Charlotte. I got Chase with me. He's a bartender manager here at the Waterman, and he's got a special fall drink for us, fall/winter drink. So why don't you tell us about it?
Yeah, it's called the Red Queen. Started off as a Sidecar spinoff, like wintry Sidecar. Yep. Yeah. And then it kind of evolved. We ended up having to need some spiced rum, so we added the Muddy River.
Yeah. So classic drink, classic North Carolina distillery. So let's get into it.
So it is a Sidecar, so I'm just going to go ahead and get my glass ready with a half rim of sugar.
Just the half?
Just the half, so you can choose. First thing you're going to do is 3/4 ounce of lemon juice.
Starting with the lemon. It's going to be shaken because it's got the lemon juice, the citrus in there.
I usually shake anytime I got citrus. 3/4 ounce of rosemary syrup.
Rosemary syrup?
Yep. Kind of going for that Christmassy Sidecar
Exactly,
vibe.
Love it. So it's got a little sweetness, a little bit of herbal notes in there too. Just
exactly.
A little simple syrup. What do you call it? Infused.
Yeah,
Infused with rosemary.
Cooked it for a little while.
Exactly.
We're going to do ½ ounce of Cointreau, because it is a Sidecar.
Got to have Cointreau if it's a Sidecar.
And 3/4 ounce of pomegranate juice.
You know, since we are in Charlotte, back in my old bartending days, we did have DaBaby come into our place every once in a while, and he was a big fan of Sidecars.
Oh, was
That's his go-to drink,
okay.
Apparently. I was never there when he showed up, but that's what I heard.
We're going to do 3/4 ounce of Hennessy. Started as a full shot, we ended up splitting it.
So again, because it's the Sidecar, you got to have your cognac in there.
Exactly.
But we want to make it that fall thing. It's got our spiced rum in here.
Yep.
It's the other base in there.
Yep, so it's split, so another 3/4 ounce.
So it's a ounce and a half total. Ounce and a half shot, but half Hennessy, half Muddy River Spiced Rums.
Exactly.
Way better than any other spiced rum.
Exactly. Yes, for sure. And then, just because this is the best, we have allspice bitters.
Allspice bitters.
Really lock in the Christmas vibe.
You'll get the cinnamon from the spiced rum, the fruity from the cognac.
Yeah, it blends with the Muddy River really well. And then you're just going to shake that John all night. We're going to double strain.
Make sure we get all those ice pieces out.
Yeah, like it nice and smooth.
Love that gorgeous color, red, kind of pink. Still got a little bit of that froth in there.
Exactly.
Love it.
And then just to really bring out the orange, do a nice swath of orange. Express the oils there. Kind of hit it, and just place it.
Love it. There you go.
It's the Red Queen.
Cool.
All right. And this should be on the menu at the Waterman in the next couple weeks or so, with a couple other fall wintry cocktails.
Perfect. Yeah. Come check out the Waterman. New seasonal menu coming out. Fantastic drinks like this. They got Muddy River now, so
we do.
Come get your Muddy River fix here.
All right.
So see you guys later. Like and subscribe. Description down below.
Hell yeah.
See ya.
Thanks.